Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, good night everyone. Today I will presentasi about my uh, procedural text. Before before we continue, I just wanna say that aku lagi seriawan jadi akan susah buat ngomong, jadi pelan-pelan saja sudah. Okay. My procedural text is about how to install Microsoft Office. First, setup. First, visit setupoffice.com and sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new account. So I will show you that. Okay, so this first you have to tap this, then go in here. Now you can see that you have to create account, or if you have account you can log in. Just then you guys bakal diminta untuk memasukkan kunci produk ya. And you can get the application. Now we go to the second. Now, like what I say, enter your product key or activation code. This product key lets Microsoft know the software was purchased legally. Third, select install Office. After the installed file is downloaded, select install, select run and work through the installation process. Nah, if you guys sudah mendownload ini, you guys can select install Office. Then your Office will be download. Okay, will be download, then install, run, that will be work. Okay. Number 4, if the user account control asks whenever you want to allow the app to make change to your device, select yes. You guys have to select yes, because for change to your device. Okay. And number 5, when you run the download file, the installation process begin automatically. If Windows asks if you want to allow the installation, select yes. Select yes. 6, the install is finished. When you see the perhaps you are set Office is installed now. If you guys already done the follow the step from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, you guys can still is already okay, it's ready, and the Office is all set. Now Office can ready to to open. 7. Microsoft Office is now installed and ready to use. So just like that. I'm really sorry if my word have bad, jika ada kesalahan kata mohon dimaafkan. Itu saja dari saya. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Thanks guys, thanks everyone. Now, so see you later. Bye.